Hey boys and girls, today is Wednesday. Today's math lesson is Module 7, Lesson 16. Today we're going to use string to measure the perimeter of various circles to the nearest quarter inch. First off, before we get started with that, I would like you to write the numbers you say when you skip count by sixes. Add in your times multiplication facts that goes along with your skip counting. So that would look like this. So here I have the first set of numbers that I would write when I skip count by sixes, and now I'm just going to add in my multiplication facts that goes with those. So you're going to skip count by sixes and then write in your multiplication facts that goes in with those skip counting numbers. Go ahead and pause the video, and then after you have finished that on your pencil with your piece of paper and pencil, then you can push play on the video and continue on. Alright, boys and girls, here's your first question for today. Find the perimeter of this shape. So we're going to find the length of the rectangle and the width of the rectangle. Oops, I did those backwards. We're going to find your length, which is usually up and down, your width, which is usually side to side, and then on your own pencil or on your own piece of paper, I want you to find the perimeter by writing an addition sentence. Then you'll go ahead and type in the perimeter for the shape, and then we'll continue on. Yeah, alright, and so to get my perimeter, I'm going to add up my side lengths.
No, me! My turn first.
Okay, let Mom's turn first, and then you can have a turn, okay? So 5 plus 5 is 10, 3 plus 3 is 6, 10 plus 6 equals 16. So my perimeter equals 16. Hey, here's your next shape. What is the length of each side of the square? Just remember, a square, each side's going to have the same measurement. And then I want you to find the perimeter by writing an addition sentence. Go ahead and find that perimeter right now and type in your answer. Alright, boys and girls, to solve this problem, I would do 4 plus, I'm going to get a different color, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 would be the same as, 4 times 4 equals 16, so I know that my perimeter is equal to 16 centimeters. Okay, here's our next one. What is the side length of each pentagon? Or what is the length of each side of my pentagon? All my sides are the same length, so they would all have the same measurement. So now on your personal whiteboard, I want you to find the perimeter by writing an addition sentence. Okay, so let's go ahead and check to see. So I know that each side length is the same. I'm going to do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or I could do 5 times 7 equals 35. So I know that my perimeter would be 35 inches. Okay, here's my next shape. Let's look at our hexagon. I'm not sure why that says pentagon. And what's the length of each side of my hexagon? Each side length is the same, so they're all going to have the same measurement. So now on your piece of paper, I want you to find the perimeter by writing an addition sentence. Okay, so I would know that hexagon has 6 sides, so I would write 9 6 times, so 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Or I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So it would be 6 times 9 is equal to 54. So my perimeter is equal to 54 inches. Okay, all right, boys and girls, so I want you to think, does this circle have a perimeter? You remember last Friday when we made our tessellations, those shapes didn't have straight lines, but they still had perimeters. The black line shows the boundary of the circle, so that's the circle's perimeter. Can you find the perimeter of the circle in inches using just a ruler? Well, you can't. So instead, we're going to use a piece of string to help us find the perimeter of circles or shapes that have circles. So what I would do if we were in class is I would give you all circles and a partner and a string, and you would work with your partner to put the string around the paper. And then we would take that string and we would straighten it out, and you would get out your ruler and you would measure it to see what the perimeter of this circle would be. But we're not in school, so instead I made a video of what we could do. So we will watch that next. Hey, alright boys and girls, so today we're going to learn how to find the perimeter of these different objects that I have on my desk. So there's no straight sides, so I can't measure those, get a ruler and measure the straight sides. So what do you think I would have to do to figure out the perimeter around this medicine that Benton needed to have? What would I do? So in a couple of years, you're going to learn this really cool way to figure out the perimeter of these shapes. It's actually called the circumference, the distance around a circle of circular shape. Circle is called the circumference, but in third grade, we're going to do things pretty easy. So all we need is our object and a string. We're going to put the string around the object. And ideally, white string would be best, and then you could just take your black marker and mark where that line is. But I don't have any white strings, so I'm just going to take my scissors and cut where my ends meet. And I can see that this length of the string is the perimeter or the distance around this shape, around this medicine. So now I can take a ruler and I don't have a regular ruler, so I'm going to use some measuring tape instead. I'm going to put the end, and I can see that the perimeter, or the distance around this bottle, is 1, 2, 3, 4 inches, and it goes between the 4 and the 5 on this long line right here. So the perimeter of this bottle would be 4.5 inches. Let's go ahead and practice another one. Let's do this can of formula. This is a big can of formula. Benton drinks about one of these a week. So I'm going to take my string all the way around. So this would be easiest if I had not black string, but I don't, so now I'm just going to cut where that ends. So now I'll take my measuring tape again and I'll measure that string. We're at the perimeter, or the circumference around my can of formula. Just keeps going and going. Whoops, we lost it. looks like it is 16 inches. So the circumference around, or the distance around this can of formula, the perimeter, is 16 inches. And so boys and girls, if I wanted to figure out the perimeter of all of my objects that I have right here, I would just keep doing that same thing. I would just take my string, wrap it around, and then cut my string or mark it, and then measure it with a ruler or a measuring tape. This is what I'm using today because I don't have a regular ruler. Okay, boys and girls, so here is your problem set for today. Your assignment is to find the perimeter of 10 circular objects to the nearest quarter inch using string, just like I did. Record the name and perimeter of each object in the chart below. So boys and girls, I'm going to give you a choice here. If you do not have the string measuring tool to do this with, where you're going to do what you just watched me do, where I took different objects and measured the perimeter using a string. If you don't have those supplies, that is fine. Just write, I don't have the supplies for the problem set, and then I want you to go work on in iReady instead. So in iReady, you'll work for either about 20 minutes or complete one lesson. So those are your choices today. So you can do your problem set just like I showed you in the video, or you can go on to iReady.